Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to English with Komal YouTube channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about the thing which is super important in everyone's life, the importance of English. So let's get going. Many people think that English is just another or other school subject, but in reality, it is the thing which can completely change your life. Think about it, watching Netflix or cracking job interviews or about a school purpose. Do you think that without English it is possible to do that? Not so easy. So, in today's episode, we are going to talk about the importance of English. So, there are a lot of things which we will discuss, so stay connected. The first point which we will discuss about English as a global language. So, as you all know, that English is really much important and it is an international language. Not is just about science, technology. In each and every field, English plays a vital role. So, English connects the whole world to you. If you are able to talk about English like a fluent speaker, that is the most important thing which you can do. For example, if you travel to Dubai, Japan, China, if you don't know their local language, so you can speak English. If you are fluent in English, it will be easy. And English plays a role like a passport to every country. So if you know that how to speak English like a fluent speaker, it is not about a fluent speaker. If you speak English like in an intermediate level, so it will be better for you. Let me ask you that which country do you want to visit one day or you dream for visiting any country? Tell me in the comment box and think that you are speaking English fluently over there. So how you feel and what will be your imagination, you can tell me in the comment box. Number second thing, English for careers and job opportunities. As you all know that English plays a vital role and it opens a lot of opportunities, whether you are talking about job, whether you are talking about promotion and about your career as well. Most important in your universities. A lot of courses are in English, so it will be better if you will learn English. All the things will be very easy for you. And the most important thing for Gen Z generation, that English plays a vital role, whether you are talking about freelancing, whether you are talking about any business. There are a lot of girls, those who are doing businesses as well. And for this thing, they have to deal with people from abroad country. And for that, English is very important. And if you are a social media influencer as well, you must know English and you must know how to speak English. That is very important. So if you know better English, the social media or any kind of a stuff will become your marketplace and you will earn a lot by just speaking or making your English better. Number third, which is very important, it is English in social media. Let's be honest, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube runs all in English. You know that if you're just going to talk about any platform, all just go or runs on English. Trendy caption, memes and comments all sounds cooler if you are doing it with English. For example, this movie is a total vibe. Or you can talk about this movie is very nice, which looks more stylish to you. Of course, the first one. Here is a small challenge for you. Write your best English caption in the comment box, and in my next video I will do a shootout for that caption and we will discuss about it inshallah. Number 4, English for personal growth and confidence. Speaking English builds confidence, whether if you are talking about presentation, whether it is about public speaking, or if you are presenting something. If you know better English, that will be more essential and that will be more good for you. For example, if I'm talking about simple phrase that's interesting, that sounds great, like these kind of stuff. If you will use in your presentation or about your like public speaking as well, you will feel very confident. You know, the thing which I'm gonna share, the thing which is really much important, that try to use the words or phrases which are advanced one. I'm not talking about the beginners, but I'm talking about the people, those who are able to speak English. Simply, you can say, try to use like advanced word. Not is just about the more advanced, but the normal advanced, you can say, as I mentioned. For example, you can say instead of hesitation word, you can say something which is more interesting or more stylish, right? So the last point which we have to discuss about is English in traveling purpose or everyday life. When you travel abroad, English becomes your survival toolkit, whether it is about ordering food, hotel, or about directions, all are in English. So English doesn't help you just in classroom, it helps you everywhere. So friends, English is not just a subject, it is a skill. Whether you are a student, a professional one, a content creator, English makes your life easier, smarter, and stylish. Now I want to hear from you that what is the most important area of English which you think that you are good in. For example, about social media, about career, or about any kind of stuff. You can share in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Komal from English with Komal. And keep learning, keep shining, keep smiling. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.